Discover how to find your unique interior style. Learn what will make your house feel like a home. Experiment to find what truly fits you. Hello, designers! Are you tired of feeling like your home doesn't quite align with who you are as a person? Finding your interior style can be a bit of a journey, but with Planner 5D, you have the perfect companion to make the process exciting and easy. Imagine designing a home that not only looks amazing, but also reflects your unique personality and needs. Today, we're going over 6 steps on how to find your design style and how Planner 5D can help you along the way. As always, Planner 5D does offer a 7-day pro membership trial where you'll have access to all of the tools we talk about today. I saw that. I saw you look at that like button. I think you might as well click it since I caught you. So click the like button. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important steps. Your style should reflect you, who you are as a person, and what you like. Start by observing your surroundings. Do you notice any recurring patterns or colors or different types of elements? If not, try exploring your wardrobe or different elements in your life. What do they say about you? Your style isn't just visual either, it's really about how you want to feel in your space. Do you want something cozy, energized, minimalist? Well, you're in the right place because Planner 5D has all of those. Next up, evaluate how you use your space. Is durability and storage for your family home number 1 on your list? Or do you prioritize maximizing space in a small apartment? Scandinavian style might work for practicality, while minimalist or contemporary designs would enhance more compact areas. If you're not quite sure where to start, you can always use the design generator to try out different styles, and all you have to do is upload a picture. There are so many different styles to choose from until you find the one that fits your needs. Your home's architectural features play a really big role in determining its style. Loft with exposed brick? Consider an industrial style. If your house has more of a cottage feel, maybe a rustic or farmhouse design would be a better fit. If you want to save time instead of building an entire room from scratch, you can always use the Scan a Room feature. This will give you a 3D replica of your space so that you can focus on your home's architecture and what style fits it best. Sometimes we need visual references to figure out what we like. So take the time to explore interior design magazines, follow designers online, or immerse yourself in art, movies, and nature for inspiration. And if that's not enough, Planner 5D's Smart Wizard can help you visualize different styles, making it easier to find what resonates with you. All right, let's do a quick little exercise because it's time to identify your style. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and then browse through Planner 5D's catalog. Save everything that catches your eye. And don't overthink this, just grab anything that you're drawn to. Afterwards, you can analyze your choices. Are there any repeating patterns in any of the colors, shapes, or different styles? Then write down some keywords that would describe your picks. If you find a lot of repetitions in your selections, this could be your base style. And from there, you can decide on how to add a bit of contrast. If your style is pretty neutral and you want a little more depth, you could introduce some bold colors, textures, or patterns to your decor. Keep in mind that good interior design has layers and depth, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Now is the time to create your personalized style guide by using Planner 5D's mood boards. This feature allows you to compile your favorite colors, shapes, and styles into one cohesive visual reference. Every now and then you can look back at your mood boards and check in with your space. Is there something bold here? Do I have enough greens? Keep asking yourself questions to see if your space is aligned with your style. If you're not sure where to start, you can always use Planner 5D's templated mood boards. Essentially, mood boards are a great way to see if that piece of furniture you've had your eye on aligns with your style. And of course, preferences change and evolve over time, so know that you can make adjustments to your mood board at any time. And there you go, 6 steps to find your personal design style. Let's do a quick recap. Your style is you. Discover how your essence shapes your style and how you want to feel in your space. Your needs. Assess how you use your space and what practical elements are important for your lifestyle. Take inspiration from your home's architectural features to guide your design choices. Gather ideas from a bunch of different design resources and immerse yourself in creative inspiration. Identify your preferences through quick and focused selection exercises. And create a mood board to visually define your interior style. Now it's your turn. What interior design styles fit you best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the link in the description for that 7-day pro membership trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.